Hey everyone, long time no see. I'm going to give you one more example of how to find equivalent ratios or equivalent fractions. This should match number 2 in your book. I don't remember exactly what the words were, but the numbers are the same. It said something about 12 for 3 and then 28 for 7. As long as I've got the numbers, you'll get the idea of what we're doing here. So math is about rules and patterns, so we're going to follow the same pattern that we did for number 1. The first thing that we need to do is turn these into ratios or fractions. So I've got 12 over 3, okay, 12 over 3. Those are my first two numbers. And then I've got 28 over 7. All right. The first method was to ask, how did I get from here to there? All right, so let's change colors again. How do I get from 12 to 28? There is no easy way to get from 12 to 28. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. I can't get to 28 easily. So I'm going to reduce this first ratio, simplify it a little bit, and see if that helps me get from one number to the next. So I know that I can divide the denominator, and the numerator both by 3. So 3 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3. What is 3 divided by 3? It's 1, okay? 12 divided by 3 is 4, okay? So we're going to put 4 up here. Now I've got a different ratio, different fraction over here. 4 over 1. Is there an easy way? How can I get from 4 to 28? Can I count by 4s and get to 28, or can I divide 28 by 4? I can. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. All right? So 4 times 7 is 28. Okay? Stay with me here. If these are equivalent, then that means the bottom will follow the same rule. So that means 1 times 7 would be 7. It works out. 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 7 is 28. This is an equivalent. These are equivalent ratios. Let me show you the butterfly method real quick. We'll do a different color. So I have 12 over 3, right? And then we had 28 over 7. Let's make our butterfly wings. Here's a wing. Here's a wing. All right? Remember, those butterfly wings are in the shape of a multiplication sign. So we're going to multiply these numbers. I'm going to multiply 12 times 28. Sorry. Let's reverse that. Not multiplying 12 times 28. I got to stay in the same wing. 12 times 7. And then I multiply 28 times 3. All right? Now, you may need to use a calculator to figure this out, and that's okay. 12 times 7 is, 2 times 7 is 14, carry the 1, 7, 8. 12 times 7 is 84. Let's do 28 times 3, and remember, if we get the same answer, they're equivalent. So 3 times 8 is 24, carry the 2, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And look at that, ding, ding, ding. Oh, you can't see it, hold on a minute. Ta-da! My answers are the same, 84 and 84. Because my answers in the wings are the same, that means that these are equivalent fractions. Pretty cool, huh? It doesn't matter which method you use. If you like the butterfly method, use the butterfly method. If you've got the number sense to ask, how do I get from here to there, use this method. As long as you're using one of the methods and you get the right answer, it doesn't matter which one you use. If you have any questions, hopefully I can answer them tomorrow. See you later.